chicken, banana. Chicken, banana.
Perfect spot nga rin dito para mag-pictorial.
Oh, nilulublob mo yung phone mo?
We also visited the Poda Island. Medyo touristy lang kasi ang ganda rin ng island and dito usually ang tour stop for lunch. Last stop is the Rayleigh Beach and this was my fave stop. Ang daming magagandang spots. May madadaanan kayong mga stalactites, may monitor lizards, and may mga extreme activities. Must visit din dito ang trending spot na to, the Grotto Restaurant. I ordered iced latte and it did not disappoint. 11/10 kasi ang ganda ng view ng Pranang Beach. I still can't believe ang mura mag-travel sa Thailand. Inabutan nga kami ng ulan pero masaya pa rin. On our way back, dinaanan namin ang Korang Beach dahil sa aesthetic nitong view.
Grabe!
Sa harap nga lang na accommodation namin, may masarap na pad thai at authentic Thai milk tea. Mura lang to and fully loaded pa. Yung isang serving, pwede nang for sharing. We also tried the Thai pancake or commonly called as roti. May banana filling and Nutella on top.
Init. Mas masarap yan pag kinain mo buo.
Mainit mission.
At kahit umuulan, we explore the Aonang Night Market para sa paborito nating inhaler.
Ano? Babad na ako dito, oh.
Ang dami ring nightclubs dito if gusto mong mag-party or go for casual drinks. For the best pad krapao, dito namin natikman yan sa Techo Vayo. I also recommend visiting Banchang Cafe dahil bukod sa masarap na kape, may interactive wildlife experience ka pa. And that pretty much sums up my quick Krabi trip and sana mapuntahan nyo rin to. Make sure to follow and keep wandering with me.